All right, Raider Nation. Here is a quick review of Schoology. Remember that, again, every class will look a little different, but you will always have a banner with the class name and what bell you're in, what times we meet, who I am, and how to contact me. Again, Schoology Messenger, if you just click on the envelope, it'll bring up the Schoology Messenger. Just type in my name, Jason Barrett, and you'll be able to send me a message. I will send you messages throughout the year that way as well. As you can see, in every class there will be these buttons. The bad weather link, like if we have snow or hurricane days or whatever, that'll be the Zoom link, and we will meet during those times or times that I put out to you via the Schoology Messenger. You can always check your grade, find the missing assignments that you need and things like that. Desmos calculator that we'll be using, and the class link that will get you to everything else that you need, like your math space or Schoology or e-hall pass or whatever any other electronic things you need. Every class will be set up with these folders. You'll have a red assignments folder, and then in it there'll be the assignments by date and graded assignments by number. There'll be a Raider prep, and then there's course information. So in the black course information folder, for example, in this course, again, we have the class expectations, the contact form that students are expected to fill out with the parents, so that that will help me keep in contact with them, the welcome back information presentation that we give on the first day of school, the grading policy, all the information you need, and another place for the inclement weather Zoom link. So going back again, if we go into the red assignments folder, I'm going to look at a course from last year. Last year, the red assignments folder, again, in there it is everything we do in class that day, plus extra practice for students to work on at home. So for example, in this one, there are the notes, the videos for class, and then classwork and some extra practice. The next day, again, more notes and videos. There's the activity that we did in class, and a link for the exit ticket. So any information that you need on the material that we cover is going to be in the orange instructional materials by date. Now, if you remember correctly, back here there's the graded assignments by number. Well, when you go into that, this is again from last year, it'll have star math and then a number. Anything that's graded will be in this blue folder. So if you look at your student view and you see stuff is missing, go into this blue folder and find it. It'll have a number, it'll have a date, it'll have a name. So find it in any of those three ways, and you should be able to find it and make it up. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. My contact information is always in the banner. And have a great year.